Friends, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add a person to Telegram using a QR code. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application on your phone. Next, go to Settings at the bottom. And now in the top left, if you click on this sign here, you'll go to create your QR code. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to change, for example, the design of the QR code. And also you will be able to send it easily. And for this, you will need to click on Send QR Code. Then you can send it either to your favorite contacts with whom you often communicate, or you can choose at the bottom how you want to send it. In Email Save and Notate you can send to TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, and other social networks. You can also, if you scroll down a bit, save your QR code to your gallery so that you have it and you can send it to someone at any time. But what if someone sent you their QR code? What can you do with it? And the first thing you will have to do is to open this QR code. Next, if you click on this sign, it will highlight the QR code and the user's name. You will be able to send it, for example, to some of the users in Telegram further. You can also save this image, which was sent to you by a person. So, after you've saved the image, you can go to the gallery. And as you can see, here we have this image, QR code in Telegram. There's also this sign here. If you click on it, it will also highlight the Telegram QR code that the person has sent you. You can copy it to send it further. You can also click on it, click on the middle, then open it in Telegram. And in this way, you will go straight to the correspondence with the person, or you will go straight to the link in Telegram. You can also open that link in Safari and copy it and send it to a user. Friends, this is how you can add a person to Telegram with a QR code. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write comments, and see you soon.